And welcome back. I'm joined by Greg Remmenga. Thank you again for coming in.
Thank you.
And what are we talking about today?
Well, we're going to continue with the flow, what happens after an automobile accident, working through the process. And as you and I have talked, one of the main things that people are going to fight is how badly you were injured or how's it going to affect you.
Definitely.
The main way that the defense is going to do that is to hire an expert witness. An expert witness is defined as somebody that has knowledge or information that you don't have, a normal person wouldn't have, because of their experience or training.
Okay.
Best example I can give right now is a doctor. A doctor has experience and training that allows them to make decisions and opinions that an ordinary person wouldn't have. So the defense is going to hire an expert witness to review your medical records and try to show that you weren't injured in the accident, that the accident didn't injure you in the way that you're saying it did, and do some things to try to contradict your expert witness, your doctors.
Okay.
So that's what an expert witness is going to do. This creates one of the biggest problems in taking something to trial, is you have to hire and pay the expert witness for their time.
Okay.
If it was a normal witness, you could subpoena them because they're not giving expert opinion. If somebody is a witness and saw facts, you can subpoena them to be there. But an expert witness needs to be subpoenaed and paid so that they can give their expert opinion.
Okay.
Whether their opinion is expert or not is a real fine line.
Yeah, definitely.
For example, you and I, as common people, we can see when a bone is broken and the hand is not where it's supposed to be.
Right, there's a problem there.
Right. So you and I can be a good enough witness to say, I saw a broken bone. But how did that broken bone affect the person? How will it affect the person in the future? How severe was the break? All of those things are going to need information beyond what you and I have, and it's going to require somebody that has expert training.
Okay.
So that's what an expert witness does. Another example is you and I, because of our experience, can probably guesstimate how fast somebody's traveling. But how fast they're traveling, a speedometer, we're not. So an expert might be able to give more information on that, the effects of that speed on the accident, all of those extra things that you and I don't know because we haven't had the training.
Okay.
In all of these cases, expert witnesses are going to be used extensively to prove all of the things that you need to prove. How the accident happened, your injuries, how those injuries are going to affect you.
Okay.
And like I said, one of the problems is we're going to have to pay those people.
Right, because they're an
So
expert.
that is always a deterrent because the insurance companies have all the money.
Yeah.
They can hire anybody they want.
Okay.
What's it going to cost you to hire somebody, and how are we going to pay that? How are we going to use that person, and what difference does it make?
Okay, awesome. So experts are a big deal,
Absolutely.
especially in these accident cases. So there's all your information on the screen for Greg Remmenga. Thank you again for your time.
Thank you.
Stick with us. We'll be